Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on this Shotcut tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could apply filter effects to multiple clips at the same time. So let me show you how you would do this individually. So what you do is you go ahead and choose your clip, go to filters, add your filter. So in this case, we'll go ahead and add a video filter. We'll add a circle. So if I wanted to apply the same filter to another clip, you could go up here to copy the filters, then go to the clip that you want to apply it to, and then paste the filter. And there you go. You have the exact same filter on another clip. But what if you wanted to apply the same filter to multiple clips at the same time? So in this case, you might think that all you have to do is select these other clips, and you could do Control A. You could select multiple clips at the same time, and then you would think that all you have to do is paste this, right? So I'll do the same thing. And so great. It looks like it shows up on this other clip. But if you actually go on these other clips, the filter is not there. So in this case, it doesn't apply the same filter to multiple clips at the same time, even if you had multiple clips selected. So how would you actually fix this? Well, Shotcut does provide you a way to apply the same filter to multiple clips at the same time at a track level, plus at a project level. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and remove this filter. And it is a feature that is really cool and powerful, but at the same time, it's not really apparent that this feature is there. So where would you do this? Well, all you have to do is select the track that you want to apply it to. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and select this entire track, which is V3. And then you could go to your filters and add a filter. And we'll do the same thing. We'll add a circle. And now, if you notice, if you go to these clips, it applies the filter on all the clips on your track. So this is really powerful. And this is a feature that I did not know existed, because I kind of thought you would just do Control Alt and paste, but it didn't work. But it is here in Shotcut, and that is really great. And how you know that it's at a track level, you notice that there's this little funnel icon right here. So that means that this entire track has the same filter applied. And the thing is, since it is applied at a track level, whatever adjustments that you make here, it will apply to every single clip on this particular track. And another thing you could do is, since it treats it as basically just like one big clip, you could add multiple filters. Like say, for example, I want to add another filter right here. Let's add distort. So now I have two filters, and this actually applies to all the clips, as you can see there. So that's really cool. And at the same time, you can still go to each individual clip, and then you can add additional filters. But just understand that the filters that you have at a track level won't appear on the individual clip. You actually have to go to the track itself to see the filters. And then you could apply other filters on each of these clips as you normally would. So that's the first thing. This is really a powerful feature. But there's actually one more thing that you could do. You could actually apply it to all the clips in your project. So let's go ahead and remove this from this track. And how you do that is you need to go up here to output, and you do the same thing. We'll go ahead and add the filter. So in this case, it's telling you that if you apply it at an output level, this applies to all clips in your project. So I'll say yes, and we'll go ahead and add the circle. But now the same effect is applied to every single clip on your actual project. So that's something that I think is really a nice feature to have. But as I stated before, it's not something that's really readily apparent at all. So now let me show you another way in which this could be really useful for people, especially if they're going to be doing some type of audio editing. For professional virtual business locations, check out Anytime Mailbox with more than 1,300 locations worldwide at affordable rates. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. So if you wanted to make audio adjustments to your project, having this ability to apply a filter to multiple clips at the same time is a huge time saver. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to balance your audio levels or normalize it across multiple clips. Well, now instead of having to do it manually for each clip, you could simply go to a track and then add your audio filter We'll add a limiter here. We'll limit the audio level, or you could even increase the gain. And then it's now applied to all the clips in this track. Plus, you could still add additional audio tweaks by going to each clip, then adding additional audio filters as needed. And also, you could apply this same thing at a project level by doing this at output. So that is it on this video on how to apply filters to multiple clips at the same time, and also how this could be really useful if you're doing any type of audio adjustments. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my Shotcut tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.